Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error Alt and Tab key freezes here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's start. The very first step is at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with settings. Once you have successfully opened your settings, please proceed to the left side of it. There you can see an option called System. Simply click on it and go for the first option, which is Display. Just have to click on it once again and scroll down. And here under the related settings, you can see there are two options. You need to proceed on Graphics. Simply click on it. The moment you've click on it, there you need to go at default settings. Under that, you can see an option called change default graphics settings. Just have to turn it off. So if in your case it is turned on, make sure it is turned off. Once you have turned it off, just have to restart your computer for changes to take effect. Okay? Once you're done, check if your problem has been fixed. Unless if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next step, which is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for regedit. Again, it is regedit and a system called registry editor will appear. Please go with run as administrator. After account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, okay. And here you need to go with hkey underscore current underscore user. Okay, then click this forward arrow and proceed to software. Then click this forward arrow and you need to go with Microsoft. Okay, click this forward arrow once again, and this time you need to go with Windows. So simply scroll down, just have to scroll down slowly since there is a bunch of folders here to simply and easily find it. Now it's here. Click this forward arrow again, and there you would be able to see current version. Click this forward arrow. This time you need to find Explorer. Okay. Again, we have just been into hkey underscore current underscore user. Then we go with software, then proceed on Microsoft, then Windows, then current version, and here it is, the Explorer. Now here we need to proceed on at the left at the center of our screen. Sorry for that, my bad. Okay. So here at this area, just have to do a right click, go with new, and go with reword 32-bit value. And we named this Alt Tab settings. So no space in between of the letters. Okay. So once you're done, click on enter to create such. Okay. So here just have to double tap it and change the value data into 1. Once you have changed that, click on OK to proceed. And then there you have that. Just have to close all of these file folders. Okay. And then you need to close this registry editor as well. And then click the start icon. And then you need to restart your computer. Okay. So once you have restarted the computer, there you have that. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.